Transposition is a really popular composition technique. It's used to elongate the useful life of material. It also gives the piece a sense of progression, that is, it's moving forward. We expect harmony to change to move a piece forward. So we've got our little idea here. And I'll just very quickly just make a couple of little alterations to that. This is a process called fragmentation, which I haven't taken you through yet, but I will. And let's copy those two and move them to there. Okay, so at the moment we've got a piece of music with a synthesizer line and a drum line. Now, if I wanted to repeat that over and over again, there's a chance that it might become a little bit boring. So transposition is something that we use to make things a little bit more interesting. So I want you to select that and shift select these and then Command J for join. And now I've got one single piece of music there. And you can see that down here it's represented like that. I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller so I can see the whole thing. There we go. There's the whole thing. Now, if I was to copy that, Command C, Command V, there's our second one there, and we'll just focus in on the second one. Now, at the moment, that is the same key, the same pitch as the first one here, and to tell you the truth, it is going to get a little bit boring. I'll copy the drums over as well. Good news about drums, they never get boring. So, we're going to transpose this to make it interesting. So select all the notes here by dragging. Now at the moment our first note is a C, and we can see that there is a C, and if we looked at the score we could see, yep, it's a C. However, one of the most successful ways that we can transpose is using the primary triads 1, 4 and 5. We're going to transpose up to 4. Now you can see here this little thing called pitch. It's going to ask us, that's 0. So 0 is C. So if I want to change 0, I'm just not going to change anything. It's just a C. 1 would be a B flat. 2 would be a D. 3 would be E flat. 4 would be E. And 5 would be an F there. And that's chord 4. Now I know that 5 being 4 doesn't make a lot of sense. Have a look at it though. C, D, E, F. Chord 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that's 6 there, but remember that that's 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Transpose to get chord 4, we have to transpose to 5. So there we go, like that. Okay, and now when we listen to it, you can see a little +5 written there. Let's listen to the whole thing. So I can take that back down again like that, and it would just be in the same key again. The other way of doing a transposition, select this like this, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it tells us there that that note is now an F. And that'll affect the transposition too. So that's transposition, and also using a fragment.